Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. I really appreciate your support. Today, I'm super excited to review the G-Shock MUDMASTER GG-1000-1A3 watch. This amazing watch is from the legendary Casio G-Shock lineup, known for its durability and style. So let's dive right into the unboxing experience. When we'd first open the package, here's what we get. The watch box, of course, a 2.5-year extended warranty card, the user manual. Now, taking a closer look at the cardboard box, it has a very unique design. On the top and sides, you'll notice the G-Shock branding, which gives it a premium feel. One side has the watch specifications, and on the opposite side, there's a unique barcode. Inside the cardboard box, you'll find a metal box, which also features the G-Shock branding on top. The metal box itself feels sturdy and protective, ensuring the watch stays secure. Once we open the metal box, we see the watch is carefully cushioned with padding for extra protection. It's also wrapped in a plastic bag to keep it pristine. Oh, and the price tag is attached too. Now let's talk about the watch itself. The MUDMASTER GG-1000-1A3 has a bold, unique design that screams durability. When you hold it, you immediately get a sense of its rugged build and high-quality materials. Here are the key features of this watch. Shock resistant, perfect for rough use. 20-bar water resistance, that's up to 200 meters. Mud resistance, built to handle extreme conditions. Direction and temperature display, super handy for adventurers. Weight, it's lightweight at just 94 grams. Materials, stainless steel frame, resin strap. Battery life, lasts about 2 years with normal use. Now check this out. It looks absolutely stunning on the wrist. It's a perfect fit, with a rugged yet stylish appearance. In my opinion, the G-Shock MUDMASTER GG-1000-1A3 is an excellent choice for men, especially those who love outdoor adventures or just want a watch that stands out. It's tough, functional, and stylish, a true all-rounder. Thank you so much for watching this review. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to stay updated with more cool reviews. See you in the next one.